Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Lifestyle Gardener. A few days ago I decided to start making some homemade seasoning, either by making it fully homemade by buying the ingredients freshly and maybe freeze some and or put some in the fridge, or dehydrate some, or buy the ingredients in bulk and create my own seasoning blends. So today, a few days ago, I decided to make my first seasoning blend of taco seasoning. I made it and I'll show you guys how I did it, but I test the seasoning afterwards in one of my meals that I created with beef, and I make some adjustment of the amount of the ingredients that I want, that I think is recommended, and I put it on the screen. After this scene, I put it on the screen to let you guys know exactly what I recommend putting. I put it in writing on the screen. So I hope you guys test it out. If you want more of that ingredients, you can put it. If you want less, you can put it. It's really up to you. I think the amount is perfect. It didn't come out too spicy, and I hope you like it. Stay tuned. Bye. few years ago, I grew some oregano from my garden in Ontario, and I had it in this bottle, and I can't believe how fresh and vibrant the color still is, and the smell. So I decided to use that in the homemade taco blend. So I had to remove some from the container, and I removed the leaves from the stem, and I believe that was like 3 tablespoons of oregano by the time I did that. By making your own seasoned blend, you can make a double batch of it. I know in the store they sell taco season powder, but they always just give just a little bit amount, and it's so much cheaper just to make as much as you want. The bottle of paprika that I had, I got that from the Dollarama store, and it was for $1. The same bottle that I saw, same size bottle that I saw in the superstore was like $4.99. The only difference, they say, is the only difference is that it's organic. And because my income have got lower, some things I'm not gonna worry about if it's organic or not. Yeah, so I was thinking for a while, and then I decided that I'm going to use the old bottle of the paprika. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I covered the blender, and then I started to blend them up. I removed the lid, and then I decided to stir up the seasoning to blend it more finer. Then I cover it up and start blending. So afterwards, I tried to put the seasoning through the funnel in the bottle, but some of it was still stuck inside. So I used the spoon to try to get it out, but it wasn't really working too well. So afterwards, I remembered that I have a brush that I bought especially just to base whatever I want to base it with. I got the brush and it worked much more better to remove all of the particles in the blender. So that's what it looks like so far. So I shake it up after I close it up with the lid. So after I make adjustment of the seasoning, I put the taco seasoning in the beef and beans and I can it up. That's what the finished product look like after I label it. Okay, bye everyone, have a good day.